Hello, Namaste. Today we are in lesson number 4, plants around us. Today's topic is cultivation of plants. Cultivation means growing of plants in fields. How they will go? Here one day this Mona visited a village. She saw some farmers uprooting small plants from their fields. Here Mona is a one girl. She visited a village. Their farmers uprooting a small plants means they are removing the small plants from the field. So she asked her father why they are doing so, because they are uprooting, they are removing the plants, small plants from the fields. For this her father told that plants are plants like sugarcane, maize, wheat and rice are grown in this way only by the farmers. Here I shown in the picture, see here, in one small field they are growing full plants. Afterwards they are removing, here they tied bundle they are removing and uprooting means removing from that field, and they are planting in the another field, some with some distance, like that. This is called cultivation, uprooting small plants from field and they are planting in other fields to grow plants. These plants are called, like this farmer growing plants are called cultivation of plants. Example, sugarcane, maize and wheat and rice. Next, weeds. What do you mean by weeds? Maybe in your home also some plants you are growing, or in front of your house or side other your sides, in the sides compound or in the parts. We planted some plants means with that also some other plants will also grow. We not planted that plants. Seeds also we not sow. Then also some plants will grow. These unwanted plants are called as weeds. These unwanted or undesirable plants growing with the cultivated plants. These unwanted plants are called as weeds. These weeds harm the growth of the cultivated plants. These weeds harm the growth of the cultivated plants. Why? Means they will consume the water and fertilizer what we are giving for the main plant. So this weeds has to be removed from the soil because it absorbs water and minerals what we are giving fertilizers for the main crops. So these weeds are unwanted plants we have to remove from the fields. Next, plowing. You may heard or you may read in Kannada lesson also, that is one maybe in third standard or second standard. Negilu. Negilu means plow. The farmers use this plow to plow the fields. Means this is in olden days wooden plow is there. Nowadays all iron plows are there. The farmers use this plow to loosen the soil. First they will dig the soil and they loosen the soil. Afterwards they sow the seeds. They put seeds in the soil. Afterwards they are sprinkling or putting seeds. Then they are giving water. And after some days small sprouts will come out, means small plants will grow. Along this some other plants will also appear, because the farmer will not put that any other plants. He, for example, he saw only rice seeds. With that rice seeds some other plants will also grow, means this is because of birds and animals. They are eating and they are moving, means this bird seeds may be fall in that field. They, the plant will grow. These are weeds. Now with these weeds grown means we have to remove. And if you remove means the main crop will get water and fertilizer and they will grow better and we get desired products. How much we want, that much crop can be grown. Here is the picture. Here first second, here two bulls are there that they tied to this plow. They are loosening the soil. Nowadays by using tractor, here in this one more picture is there, by using tractor also nowadays they are loosening the fields. Here one man sowing the seeds. He was putting the seeds. After putting seeds, they are giving water, sprinklers. They are giving water for those plants. After some days, the sprouts will come out. Here in this last picture, you can see small plants will come out. Like this, farmers will grow plants by ploughing. This is called ploughing. They will first dig the soil and loosen the soil with the help of the plough. Maybe it is wooden or by using tractors. Afterwards, this man, they are with correct regular space distance, they are sowing the seeds. Afterwards, they are giving water, and then small plants or sprouts will come out. Like this, farmers will grow the plants. The farmers grow crops in the fields. That particular crops are called as cultivated plants. They give what they grow desirable products. For example, they so wheat means they are getting wheat, rice means rice, like that desirable products they are getting. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class. In this session, I completed the lesson number 4, plants around us. Next, I am going for new lesson. Bye.